lot of traffic moves through this section of the 401 corridor. A lot of people just think, well, you just do traffic control. The traffic control is one side of it, but I do the inspections, I do the maintenance, I do the emergency repairs. Doing this since '89, I've seen a lot of different things, and I never know what is going to happen with my job at any minute. I could get a phone call and have to go look at a bridge for incident, vehicle, truck, car, cause some major damage, and away you go. I've seen really scary moments. We found a fellow that had gone over a snowbank down a ravine by Aurora Road, exposed to -26 for about 6 hours. I remember stripping down to my t-shirt, wrapping this guy in the parka. He opened his eyes and his eyes rolled. Got a call from his wife. She said he had broken arms, legs, hypothermia. He had multiple strokes because of the cold weather, his body was right. And she says, if it wasn't for us, he'd be dead.
How did you feel after having that conversation?
Really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.